Hey there! Are you looking for a quick and delicious way to start your morning routine? Look no further than these 10 tasty smoothie recipes that will start your day on a healthy note. First up, we have a classic green smoothie. Combine spinach, kale, banana, almond milk and your choice of nut butter for a nutrient-packed shake. Next, we have a banana and peanut butter smoothie. Blend banana, peanut butter, yogurt, honey and cinnamon for a sweet and protein-packed breakfast. If you're looking for an extra boost, try a blueberry and chia seed smoothie. Combine blueberries, almond milk, chia seeds and vanilla extract for an antioxidant-rich drink. For a tropical twist, blend pineapple, banana, coconut milk and Greek yogurt for a piña colada-inspired smoothie. If you're in the mood for something more filling, try an avocado and strawberry smoothie. Blend avocado, strawberries, coconut water and honey for a creamy and